Hello everyone and welcome back. So we're going to do a little unboxing, so to speak, today. We received a couple of parcels from Robert, one of our viewers on My TVR.co.uk. In fact, we were only expecting one parcel, so a bit of a surprise there. We've actually got two. We think we know what's in one of them. Might be a repeat of what's in the other one. We're not sure yet, we'll see. So without further ado, let's get to undoing the parcels. Okay, here we go. What's in the first one? Wow. Okay. Thank you, Robert. Really well packaged. Oh, what we got here? Wow. How about that? December 99. TVR Car Club Sprint magazine. Wow. They're all in really good condition as well. Look at them. Wow. 99. All 1999. Really early ones. It looks like we've got a brochure for a tour or something. 4-star hotel overlooks the seafront. Yeah, looks like it was some kind of a rally. Back home 1999, Blackpool. Were you there? Were you on that meeting? More Series 3 stuff there, 1995. Oh, this is amazing. Absolutely loads of it, lot. Wow. Wow. Merry Christmas 1994. Look at that one. That's early, isn't it? Wow. That's a nice view. You never know. My car might even be in one of these. Who knows, eh? I was just thumbing through some of these magazines, and I just noticed this S series here. Registration TVR 68S. That's interesting. We had the registration number of our vehicle when it was first registered, as far as I'm aware, when it was first registered, was TVR 209S. So yeah, very similar series there. I wonder if some of these cars are still around today. They must be, surely. I mean, there's thousands of cars here in these magazines. It does make you wonder how many are still out there. Another nice S series here. Look at that. What a nice photograph to keep that would be, wouldn't it, if that was your car today. On a J plate. That's quite late, isn't it, for an S series car? Next to a fighter plane. Very nice. And I've seen there's some leaflets here for TVR Car Club memorabilia as well. Hats and things. Wonder how much of that stuff's still around today. Must be some surely tucked away in a loft somewhere. Clothing, gifts, accessories. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, nice t-shirts. Very good. And now we've got the second one to open, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we go. And a load more. Wow. More that's nice. More TVR Car Club magazines. 2001 this time, a little bit later. 2001. That's a thick one. 2000. Where do you start? There's absolutely hundreds of things. This is brilliant. I'll tell you what, let's get them out of the box. I think that's probably the best thing. And this collection is absolutely amazing. I mean, there's hundreds here. I mean, what can I say? Richard, thank you very much. I've got many hours of reading here to do, that is for sure. It's going to be, for me, it's going to be really interesting to find out more about the vehicles from the magazines, with us being new to the cars. We're only July this year. So thank you, Richard. Really appreciated. Yeah, and we've got lots of reading to do. Thank you very much. For those who haven't seen us yet, please do pop by and have a look at our website, mytvr.co.uk. It's our little story about our car that we bought this year. Hopefully it'll be of interest to you. We're trying to build it up month by month, and hopefully over the winter I'll be spending most of my time in the garage and doing lots of work on the car, so we'll have plenty of updates on the website for you then. So until next time, take care and see you soon. Bye bye for now.